Hi guys, we just wanted to do a quick video of our hotel room in Da Nang, Vietnam. So
Good morning, Vietnam.
We have been traveling the last few days now that I'm retired, as well as Tyke being retired. So this is one of the first videos we are sending your way from our retired life, slow travel.
Our first visit to Vietnam.
First visit to Vietnam and
first visit to Asia.
Yep.
Yep.
And it's so beautiful here. So we hope that you enjoy this room tour video. We also have another video we have already posted about our diamond status and how we got that with IHG, because we're staying at an IHG hotel with points.
Which is called the
Voco Ma Belle in Da Nang.
Right on the beach. We're right across the street from the beach, not right on the beach.
Yeah.
But it is warm. Fair warning, but really, if you've ever been to Florida this time of year, for example, not much different than that.
Yeah,
it's humid, warm, but you know, as long as you stay out of direct sun in the middle of the day, it's pretty great, and everything's air conditioned or well ventilated. And so anyway, hope you enjoy our first of many videos on our travels in Asia.
Okay, we just got into our room at the Voco Ma Belle in Da Nang, Vietnam. And when you walk in, this is what you see. It's a gorgeous floor on the 20th room on the 20th floor. As you walk in, there's this large closet. And they have robes. And they also have flip-flops. Nice flip-flops for us to use. And of course the standard iron and ironing board. I like the ironing board. It's kind of a shorter size and it has the place for the iron to rest on it. That's nice. Has a nice safe. Oh, and a flashlight. That's really cool. We like to have a flashlight at home next to the bed, so that's nice. This is a little drawer and a couple of nice shelves, and it looks like even a scale. Well, there you go. You can have your laundry done here, and as an IHG member you get 20% off your laundry, so that we will definitely be using that. So we tried to pack light. You walk in and the bathroom is to the left, and there's a nice little place to sit and put your shoes on or put stuff on. And then there's the nice little coffee station. So you've got your coffee pot, you've got some cups, they gave us 2 waters, drawer full of goodies. Can't wait to try these, they look delicious. Happiness. And then of course you have your little fridge. And the bathroom, we'll get a better angle of this bathroom, but you can see that you can close the curtains. This is the shower. And so you can have it open and get the view, or you can close it. And we have a pocket door for the bathroom. And so you've got a nice mirror with some light behind it. And you've got a nice sink. You've got that in that little bag is a mat, a non-skid mat. Nice toilet with spray. Got a place to hang towels. You've got a little magnifying mirror. And some lotion and hand soap, some glasses. It has a nice little shelf on the mirror as well. And in here you've got some toiletries in case you need a toothbrush or shower caps. Those are available. And the hairdryer. is in that drawer. And then you can go, oh, let me figure out how to get in here. You pull the door open, and you've got so much room in the shower. Rain shower, and the handle that you can use. That's really nice. And I love these turn knobs. And then you get all your cleansers that you need. Very nice. This is a really cool bathroom. Okay. So there we are again with the mirror. And we've got a desk. You can sit at the desk, do your work. You even got a little drawer to put your stuff in, and a lamp. And then you've got another full-length mirror. I think they're trying to tell us something with the scale and the full-length mirror. And I'm sure there's going to be so much delicious food, I'm going to have to be careful. For some reason, I ordered us 2 twin beds. So we will see how this goes with 2 twin beds. And a lovely little couch, chase lounge to rest on. Got the television mounted to the wall. Lots of places for plug-ins, extra little plug-ins. Some pretty art. And over here we've got a little nightstand and phone, and you've got some nice lights by the bed. Beds look pretty comfy. And we have a city view. So in a couple days we can watch the fireworks from our balcony. Got some chairs and a place to put clothes over so they can dry. It's a pretty good sized balcony. And you look out over here and you can see the Dragon Bridge. And that's where the fireworks are going to be. I'll have to go to some of the other floors and show you some of the pools. There's a rooftop pool and another pool. And way off in the distance you can see a Ferris wheel. We're going to have a lot of fun exploring. It's a little hot and humid today, but it feels nice. So we'll film some more in a little bit. See you later.